I know. Hey everyone, it's Russell and Junebug and Willow's nearby somewhere here at Raspberry Rock. So guys, yeah, a get together. That's what I'm thinking. So Ryan and I, and you know Ryan if you were at our last two live streams, he was out for a visit this weekend. So we've been planning this thing called the Golden Mile for a long time now. Golden Mile would be 12 pints of beer in 12 different pubs. And just this weekend, Ryan said, well, why don't you open up to your viewers and let anybody who wants to come out? And I said, sure. So why don't we do that? In talking to my wife, she says 12 pints of beer in 12 pubs is crazy. So what we're probably going to do is shorten that down to 2 or 3 pubs and a few pints of beer. Anyway, so yeah, anybody who wants to come can come. The date I'm thinking about right now, I haven't run this by Ryan yet, but the date I'm thinking of right now is July 7th in the summertime, which is my birthday. My wife wants to find some pubs with some patios, because that would be a lot of fun. My wife and I are probably going to grab a hotel room at the end of the night, which I recommend for anybody who's coming, so you don't have to drive anywhere afterwards. So we're going to find an area where a few good pubs, maybe with patios, and a hotel nearby we can just walk to at the end of the night. So if you're interested in coming, let me know in the comments below and what your thoughts are on this endeavor. I would really love it if everybody could meet Junebug and Willow too, so we're trying to think of a way to do that. All right. I do love you. I do. I really do. Well, come here, Willow. Come on up here. Yeah, so sometime in Toronto, July 7th is what I'm thinking right now, which is my birthday. It's a Saturday evening. And we'll all get together and have a few pints of beer at a few pubs. That's pretty much it. Again, let me know in the comments below if that's something you're interested in doing, so I can kind of gauge how many people are coming. If it's just a few people that are coming, then then that's fine. But if we get like 50 people coming, then you actually gotta let these places know ahead of time. I don't think we'll get that many, but anyway, again, let me know and that's it. I'm going inside. It's a little chilly out here. Good doggies. Yeah, come on up here, widows. Come on up here. Yeah. That's a good doggies. That's a good girl. Nope, can't sit still.